Christmas toy. My name is all wrong. No child wants to play with a Charlie in the box, so I had to come here.
If you're new to my channel, I hope you'll go ahead and hit that thumbs up and subscribe if you're not. Love y'all. That's enough of that. Let's turn this Christmas up.
Christmas is coming. Start sending your letters off to Santa. Christmas is coming, yeah. Better be nice if you want your present. Tell all your brothers, sisters, mama and papa too. Christmas is coming, yeah. Staying up late looking out the window. Some sleigh rides and some jingle bells. Tell all your brothers, sisters, mama and papa too. Christmas is coming, yeah. Roasting some chestnuts on the fire, yeah. Christmas is coming, yeah. Celebration and surprises. Tell all your brothers, sisters, mama and papa too. Ooh, yeah. Tell all your brothers, sisters, and mama and papa too. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah.
Very Merry Christmas we'll have this year. Very Merry Christmas without all tears. Every night, every day is a happy holiday. A very Merry Christmas to you. Very Merry Christmas.
Now a quick reminder of our lineup.
is a joyful cheer. A very Merry Christmas, oh, let me hear. Yes, very Merry Christmas without old tears. Every night, every day is a happy holiday. A very Merry Christmas to you. Very Merry Christmas, oh, we'll have this year. Very Merry Christmas, I keep showing every light, every soul from every friend that comes along. Very Merry Christmas to you.
Merry Christmas, everyone, and happy holidays. Now, last year I talked about memories from my childhood, and this year I want to talk about memories from my adulthood. Now, when I were in my early 20s, I was a bartender and I had to work Christmas Eve. So I got off work finally, and I was going out to my friend Sarah's farm. Sarah had an 85-acre farm right outside of town. Now, the reason I'm bringing Sarah up is because we call this farm the Farm of Misfit People. And as I was driving east on Oak Ridge Turnpike, there was a foothill, a giant foothill, almost like a small mountain. And there were some people that lived on top of this foothill, and they always, every year, put out the biggest, brightest star on top of this small mountain. And you could see it halfway through town easily. So as I'm driving, I'm looking up at that star, and I'm reminiscing and feeling sorry for myself and also joyful all at the same time. I was still very much a child myself. Anyway, so I get out to Sarah's, and there's this huge bonfire going, and there's all these different groups of people in different areas of this farm, and everyone is always discussing philosophy, theology, I can't say the word theology, and also conspiracy theories. And it was always so much fun to go out to gatherings at Sarah's house. And I love her. And also loving my dear friend Donna, who put together this collaboration for all us misfits so we'd have a place to go. Now, I'm not the most eloquent speaking person. I do not speak as eloquently as those Brick Girls Go Stateside. God, love them. Back to the painting, or mixed media art. What do we want to call it? Merry Christmas!
Wait a minute. What's that? Is it? It sure is. It's Santa. Look, Rudolph is leading the way.
Christmas again and again, there's no end. Presents for all who promise us long on down the sign here. Oh, let's declare. One happy man, one happy land. Kisses again and again and again.
Oh, how I wish for the Christmases of old, where the snow would fall and the air was crisp and cold, where we heard of angels up on high, while building Frosty the Snowman until late outside. Oh, how I wish for the Christmas says of old.
I hope you guys enjoy my merry little overly decorated Christmas tree. I sure enjoyed making it. It was so much fun. Just keeping it basic and reaching for the star, I should say. It has been my honor to be in this collaboration with all you wonderful people. I think of you all as my friends, past, present, and future. All those that are in the collab and all those that are just in the chat with us. We are all part of the same collaboration, and I love you all. I'm so glad to have you here with me. Now, I need to give a special shout out to Dave and Kathy for starting us out, those traveling tramps. They sure know how to start a party. And then I also need to say, Donna, thank you so much. You'll never know how much I love you and how much your friendship honestly, truly, deeply means to me. For about the past 2 years, you've been a true delight for me. I truly don't think I'd still be trudging along with my little channel without you, dear. I love you. Now I want to send you guys on to a fabulous artist named Jane of Matilda and Josephine. You're going to get blown away. Matter of fact, y'all are going to get blown away all day. I want to wish everyone a Merry Christmas and a Happy Holiday no matter how you spend it. And I want to wish you guys a bunch of peace, love, light, and lots of laughter. Love y'all. Bye-bye.